What's going on, guys? So I want you to check these parts out. So I found someone who knows how to metal plate 3D prints. It can really anything. He can metal plate this table if you want. So it's an electroplating process. There are plenty of videos of showing how to do this online. I looked at a handful of those. What he is doing is just this on a commercial basis, and he knows how to do it and do it well. This is awesome. So we're now going to be offering his services through 3D Print Everything. So if you need a print metal printed, we could do that to your print or whatever print you're getting done through us. We can metal plate it in straight up 24 karat gold, in a nickel chromium. This is like a chrome plating here. You could do a steel plating, a brass plating, copper plating. This will make a big difference. And this feels and has like extra weight to it. And he said he can add as much weight as he wants. And he intentionally left this part look like this so that you would know that it's a 3D print, because he could have added another layer or two and then polished it and you wouldn't see any layer lines, and that's where he did in these certain areas. I mean, it is a perfect finish. I mean, this is a game changer as far as I'm concerned. So as far as business goes, it's little connections like this that can hopefully help a company stand out, a startup company like mine. So if you can find local businesses that you can work together and you can augment what y'all can do together, this is one that I'm going to keep a little bit closer to me, because this is a premium product service. So don't kid yourself, it's not cheap and easy to do. You look up the DIY sets, it's not going to be cheap and easy. It's not going to be clean. This is a process. It's a hot process. It's not something simple. That's why I'm working with a professional on it. And he's easy enough to find, but not that easy to find. It took me several hours. But hi, yeah, come on in. There, drop it there. That's fine. Awesome, thank you. But yeah, so this is really impressive. So we'll be offering this to more companies now. Thank you. We will talk to you all soon. Sorry, we had Amazon drop off a package there. I didn't want to just beam her on camera there. But yeah, so I'm already getting some parts done with this. Sorry, I was about to end the video. No, I'm not. One of my clients is getting some artwork done, and we're going to do a 6-inch piece, then probably an 18-inch piece, and then we're going to move on to a 9-foot installation. So we're going to figure out how to print one of these things 9 feet, and it's going to be awesome. Awesome. So I'm really excited to see how that comes out, and we will be doing that here soon, very soon. So I'll keep you updated on where this goes. We're also going to do one of the cigar gun holders. We're going to do that in 24 karat gold. So I'm going to offer one of the first 24 karat gold humidors for sale. That should be pretty sick. But I just can't get over this, guys. It's super neat. I'm happy to share that with you, and let me know what you think. What do you think of this shine? What do you think of the process? I mean, I wish you could feel this. It doesn't feel like a plastic print. It feels like a lightweight metal print. That's exactly what this feels like. Super interesting. I mean, this would make prints stronger. This is going to make it stand up in the heat longer. I'm really excited. I want to do some tests or something on these. Maybe I'll figure out like a break, and we'll test like 2 or 3 materials, and then we'll test those 2 or 3 materials with a coating, and then we'll test it with like maybe 2 or 3 heavier coats, and we'll see how long it'll last. Something like that. That'll be something to set up, but I'm curious to see what the physical property strengths are. I mean, because like you could do a set of gears in resin and then coat it with this, and you're gonna have a very low resistance, and you'll be able to put an oil on it, and it'll be nice and sealed and super smooth. And I mean, you could literally be in use 3D printing some long-term use gears potentially, depending on what type of load they're under. But yeah, I'm excited for this. So what do you think? Tell me what you like. what you think of this, and we'll see you in the comments later.